everyone, welcome to Batlover's cooking show. And in today's episode, we're going to be making corned beef hash with eggs. Let's do this. The things you're going to need is a pan, corned beef hash, something to make it not stick to your pan, and eggs. So what we're going to do is get the corned beef hash out of here. Oh, crap. I hate him. How am I supposed to get this up now? I can't. I can't get it up. I know what to do. I can't get the can thing open. It's open, but I can't just get it up. Okay, yes, we opened it. Now once you have your can open, I'm just going to use this to eat. It really doesn't matter. Now once you have your can open, you want to put your burner on. We're going to put it on 4 just to let it cook. Now what you want to do is get your olive oil, shake it up, open it, give it a little spray. Now once you give your olive oil a little spray, let this thing heat up. I think it was a little bit too much. I'll let you know when it's heated up. Alright guys, so we're just going to go ahead, get your corned beef hash, get yourself a spatula. There it is. Handy dandy spatula. Good for whooping kids. No, we're going to put our corned beef hash in there. I'm trying to also not cut my finger while doing this. I don't want to dump the whole thing in there. I only want some. Might as well, man. Don't worry, I'm not the best at cooking. Neither are you. Ah, crap. Bro, why can I not get this in there? I'm making a mess. Okay, that's good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put our thing in there. Get your spatula. Start moving it around. Okay, that's not that much at all. Okay, let's lower this a bit. There we go. Now we're going to move the camera closer to the stove. So now what you want to do here is get your spatula and start moving your corned beef hash around. Now once you hear that sizzle, that's good. Oh crap, I should probably clean this up when I drop on the floor. Big gator. Alright, so all you really have to do now for the corned beef hash is move it around. You know, let it cook. You know, and once it starts to turn slightly crisp, that's when you want to get it out of there. So we're just gonna keep moving it around. I'll let you know when it's slightly crisp. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like right now. See how good that looks? We just gotta wait till it gets nice and crispy. Alright, so I'll be back. Alright guys, so it's about done. I have a plate right here. I don't have like the best camera angle, but whatever, get used to it. You gotta wait a little bit longer. Just moving it around with the spatula. That's being there. Alright guys, so it should start looking a little something like this now. You see how nice and crispy that looks? So what we're gonna do now is turn off the heat and scoop it onto our plate. I promise you, corned beef hash is delicious. It may look gross, but I promise you it's delicious. Alright, now once you've gotten most of the corned beef hash out, here, I'll show you what it looks like, because that looks good. I just want to eat it right away. Alright guys, so this is the final product of the corned beef hash right now. I promise you it's delicious. Alright, so now what we're going to do is make our eggs. Now our eggs, to make the eggs, you're going to need your eggs. And since we already sprayed our olive oil on there, the grease from the corned beef hash will be there so it won't stick to the pan. So I'm going to be making, you have an egg right here. I'm going to be making 2 eggs. Got one right there. And grab one more egg. And drop that right there. Kind of looking like it's on there right now. I don't want to get that egg stuff on me, you know. So what we're going to do is we're going to move our eggs away right now. Put our stove on 4 because it cooks the eggs thoroughly. We have the eggs right here. So, like, split it up here. So I'm going to be making over medium eggs, which are like where the yolk is still runny, kind of. Over easy, it's when it's really runny. Over medium is when it's not as runny. So what you want to do is you want to wait till, I mean, you guys know how to make eggs, right? If not, I got you still. What you want to do is you want to wait till your egg is kind of solidified on the bottom. You can check on the bottom, so it's like kind of looking crispy, if you know what I mean, on the bottom. Since we're making over medium, we don't want to pop the yolk. So once the egg gets crispy on the bottom, there we go. Let me check quickly. The egg's not that crispy yet, so we're gonna wait a little bit. I'll come back when it is. Alright guys, so it's kind of crispy on the bottom. So what you want to do is, I'm not a master at flipping things. Try to go under the egg. So I ran out of storage space on my phone, so I had to delete some stuff. I didn't get to do all of it, but like, here's the final product. We got our 2 eggs right here and our CBH. I promise you it's delicious. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more stuff like this, let me know, and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.